Hello, my viewers. I want to show you how you can get graphic design jobs. So, graphic design jobs, we have Upwork. Come to Upwork here. Click on Upwork. This is it. So, from Upwork here, you can now create an account. Let's say you log in. My account is logging in like this. From here, let's log in my ID. Let's wait for it to log in. I think I'll now input my password for you people to see. That is so. From here, we have one. So I'm inputting my password. So let's wait for it to log in. Yes, I'm now logged in. So they want to send me a message to verify it's me. So they will send me a message on my phone. They want to verify if I'm the real owner of this. So yes, after that, when you sign in, you can see jobs there. You can go to freelancer, freelancer.com. You can as well do the same. This this site provides job for freelancers to you can log in from this section. This this is an entry level. Look at your logged in sections or sign up. And then you can also post a job if you are looking for somebody to hire. You can also post a job. Then as well you can also come to Behance and showcase. Here the showcase works. Here you can also hire. Look at the section. You can hire a freelancer, then try to. So this, if you like any of the designs here, or you want somebody to create them for you, they can also provide services like that. So thank you, and I hope to see you at the talk. And if you love this tutorial, sorry, please subscribe for more.